Welcome to Vigyan Setu Foundation, an effort to bridge science and society. The following presentation has been made by Vigyan Setu Foundation as a part of its commitment towards raising awareness among the society. Thyroid disorder is a silent disease affecting all populations across the geographical boundaries, gender, race, religion, and even species. It has a global presence. To control it, two key essentials are widespread thyroid function testing and identifying iodine deficiency in both developed as well as developing countries. Every year, on 25th May, World Thyroid Day is celebrated with the objectives of 1. Raising awareness about thyroid health, 2. Promoting know-how about advances made in the field of thyroid therapy, 3. Reinforcing the ubiquitous existence of thyroid diseases, 4. Educating masses on prevention programs, and 5. Creating awareness about new methods of treating thyroid diseases. During the week from 25th until 31st May, Vigyan Setu Foundation joined hands with the international fraternity in celebrating Thyroid Awareness Week by releasing 7 presentations, one on each day. It is indeed our endeavor to make everyone know about thyroid. In our last presentation, we had discussed about cause and symptoms of hypothyroidism. In this section, we will try to understand about hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism. Hyper means much more than the usual. In this case, there is excess of thyroid hormones, particularly that of T4 or thyroxine. Since the level of hormones is too high, often hyperthyroidism is also known as thyrotoxicosis, meaning toxic state of thyroid gland. There are a number of factors that results in making thyroid gland overactive. These include familial history of an autoimmune disease like Graves' disease, which is most common cause, hyperfunctioning thyroid nodules or lumps of tissues, and inflammation of thyroid gland, either due to any infection or disturbed immune system, or sometimes it occurs after pregnancy. As we know, in hyperthyroidism, there is excess production of thyroid hormones, which in turn increases metabolic rate. Therefore, we come across a wide variety of signs and symptoms which often confuse with other common health problems. Protruding eyeballs is one of the prominent signs of Graves' ophthalmopathy. Ophthalmo means related to eye and pathy means a disorder. Nervousness, anxiousness, irritable nature, lack of concentration, and frequent mood swings are due to effect of high levels of thyroid hormones on the nervous system. There is irregular and rapid heartbeat, more than 100 beats a minute, along with pounding of heart in hyperthyroidism. In hyperthyroidism, although appetite and food intake is same or sometimes even increased, there is unexpected weight loss experienced. More frequent bowel movements or diarrhea does not give sufficient time to food to get absorbed. Breathing becomes more laborious. Weakness of muscles is felt, resulting in fatigue. Oversensitivity to heat develops with excessive sweating and warm and damp skin. Shakiness is felt with trembling hands and fingers. Thinning of skin with raised itchy swellings can also be seen. In hyperthyroidism, hair becomes thin, brittle, and start losing in patches. Menstrual flow gets reduced. Infertility and decreased interest in sex are yet another symptoms of hyperthyroidism. An enlarged swollen thyroid gland is also observed. In short, almost all systems of the body are adversely affected by the increased levels of thyroid hormones. It all begins with a feel of getting more energetic or hyperactive due to increased metabolic activity in the body. We must remember that every patient with overactive hyperthyroid might not show all the signs and symptoms, and these symptoms vary with every individual. In the next presentation, we will try to explore other types of thyroid disorders. Well, till then, take care. Thank you for joining us in raising awareness about thyroid. Do keep in touch.